Did you know you can use AI to earn money without leaving your home? Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, artificial intelligence is opening up new opportunities like never before. In this video, we'll break down 5 genius ways to make money from home using AI. Plus, we'll share a bonus tip at the end. So stick around and let's get started. First up, AI-powered freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer now have high demand for AI-assisted services. You can offer AI-generated content writing, AI voiceovers, AI video editing, and even AI-powered graphic design. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Vizsla can help you create high-quality content in minutes. Number 2, AI YouTube automation. You don't need to be on camera to build a YouTube channel. With tools like Vizsla, Pictory, and Synthesia, you can create AI-narrated videos using stock footage and text-to-speech technology. The best part? You can monetize your videos through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Third, you can sell AI-generated products. Websites like Etsy and Gumroad let you sell AI-generated art, ebooks, planners, and digital templates. Tools like DALL-E and Canva can help you design stunning products, while AI writing assistants like ChatGPT can generate ebooks or printables in minutes. Number 4, AI-powered blogging and affiliate marketing. AI tools like Surfer SEO, Jasper, and Copy.ai can help you write high-ranking blog posts in record time. Pair this with affiliate marketing, where you earn commissions by recommending products through platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. Fifth, you can create and sell AI-generated online courses. Use AI to script and structure your course, then host it on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Kajabi. AI-powered video tools like Vizsla can help you generate course videos, and AI chatbots can even assist with answering student questions. As a bonus tip, consider offering AI consulting services. Businesses are eager to use AI, but they don't know where to start. If you become knowledgeable in AI tools, you can offer consulting and charge premium rates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI money-making tips. Also, drop a comment below. Which of these methods are you going to try first? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.